Liza Day, do you like your cars? Do you like your cars, honey? Okay, you're a little bit close to her. Leave her car alone, please. She doesn't want it. She wants the race car. Let her have the race car. Thank you. Okay, now you get to go sit away from her. Yeah, go play with something else. Yeah, go sit somewhere else, Eka. Thank you for leaving your sister alone. Go away. Thank you. Very good place to play. Very good. Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. Say bye-bye, Liza Day. Hey, sweetheart. Bye.